The most common way of cleaning the sensor is by using the swabs. They typically come as a combo with this cleaning fluid. However, if you're someone like me who really doesn't want to poke the sensor and do the things to it, I try to stay away from it, and I'm going to share with you a couple of things that you can do to avoid that last step of poking your sensor with these swabs and cleaning it. So first of all, if your camera has the ability to perform the so-called self-cleaning, turn it on in the camera and do it. Just turn your camera downwards and or face down, and in the menu select the sensor cleaning. Second thing, you need to get this thing. If you don't have it, buy one, extremely cheap. And with this, actually, I managed to clean most of my dust and all the spots from the sensor. First thing I do, I just blow the air away from anything for a couple of times in case there is something inside. Then again, similar like previously, just have your camera face down and do this a couple of times and really well clean it, and it should be fine. Please, by all means, do not use the can air or high pressure air, whatever you call it, the thing that you can clean the keyboard or your engine for a car or whatever. Do not use that, because they will spray little humid drops, like the water droplets. They will land on your sensor and you're going to be screwed. Also, the pressure might be way too harsh on your sensor and you can damage it. So only this thing is the thing to do. And there's another thing, before you even clean and stuff, try not to get your sensor dirty. And the way how the sensor gets dirty is by leaving it like this, like I do right now. It stands without the lens. So don't leave it for too long. When you change the lenses, just do it quickly, put them on, take them off. And the second thing, watch where you are actually changing the lens, because if you're changing it in outside and there's like all the dust flying around, or there's some sandstorm, something like that, just try to avoid doing that. If you have a car, change the lens in a car, or if you're absolutely exposed in wild open, there's wind and stuff, at least somehow cover the wind with your body or with your jacket and change the lens there, because the least amount of dust you allow to be on your sensor, the easier it's going to be to clean. But if your sensor is completely fucked and it's completely dirty and you can't manage to clean it with this thing, man up, my friend. Just buy those swabs, buy the liquid. There's a ton of videos online on how to do it. Just watch those. I'm not going to cover here. But if you are like completely, not going to do it, not going to touch it, I don't want to see the sensor. If you're that kind of type of guy, fine by me. There is yet another solution, and that is that you just take this bad boy and bring it in any photography store, and actually almost all of them have the ability to clean the sensor for you. They will probably charge you quite a good money, so I think it's worth the risk, because there's such a low risk to do it yourself. But if in case you don't want to do it absolutely, just bring it in. They will do it in a day or a couple of days, depends on the place, and it's gonna be as new. Oh, and by the way, if you want to check if your sensor is clean, dirty, or whatever, there is a way how to do it. Just simply set the ISO as low as possible, in my case 100. Have your f-stop with the highest number and focus to infinity. Also make sure you're not too dark or you're not too overexposed. And then take a picture of something very plain, either like a blue sky or your monitor's white screen. However, make sure that the monitor is not dirty, otherwise you will think that those spots are on the sensor, but actually they're on the monitor. Well guys, keep your sensor clean, be gentle with it, and don't worry about too much, about cleaning it. And I really very much hope that this video was useful for you. Take care guys, bye bye.